Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to introduce you different kind of electronic circuits and component, and after a while I am going to make some interesting DIY project using these components. So let's begin. The first component we have here is called breadboard. We can implement different kind of electronic circuits and element on this board. And the next one is called board. In this board we can actually solder different kind of electronics component in both sides. So this is why we called it board. The next one is called module. It's a timer module. We can set a particular time in this module, and after reaching those time this circuit will trigger itself, and so that our expected device can work, and we can set the time by using these buttons. So this is all about the timer module. This module is called digital temperature sensor module. It not just sense the temperature, but also it will able to sense the temperature and trigger itself, so that our expected device can operate in a particular temperature, and we can set the temperature by using those buttons. This is the sensor. It can sense the temperature and gives the feedback to the circuit, so that circuit can operate. The next one is AutoCAD charging module. In this module we can set a particular voltage, and after reaching the voltage this circuit will able to cut the line, so that the battery charger can disconnect. This is the transformer, this is our AC line in, AC line out, and this is the relay. Then we have DC voltage regulator. It can regulate the DC voltage at the range of 0 to 36 volt, and this is the knob. We can rotate it. Now this is the interesting one. Most of us have some idea about this board. This board known as Arduino microcontroller board. We can control different kind of sensor like gas sensor, motion sensor, humidity sensor, fire sensor, etc. In this side we have digital input output pin. On the other side we have analog input output pin, extra 5-volt input output pin, ground pin, and we can command this module by using C++ throughout this port. And guys, I am going to make some project using this board. So these are the relay modules. If we successfully give a command using Arduino microcontroller board, then it will act like a switch. This is called fire sensor module. It can detect fire in a particular distance, and we can reduce the distance by using this regulator. This is the input output pin. Now we have gas sensor module, MQ5 and MQ2. Those number represents which gas it can detect. Now we have here motion sensor detector. It can detect human movement in a particular distance. Then we have servo motor. This servo motor can generate torque, or it can lift some weight. This is the simple one. It's a digital voltmeter. It can measure DC voltage. Now these are the BMS circuit. BMS stands for battery management system, and both of them are 12 volt or 3 cell battery. It can charge or discharge by maintaining the battery health. This module is a powerful one known as DC quick charge adapter. This circuit can generate up to 45 watt fast output. It can operate at the range of 6 to 36 volt DC. It supports QC4+, QC4, PD 3.0, FCP, etc. We can get 33 watt from B type port and 45 watt from C type port. So this is why it's a powerful one. This is Peltier module, model 12706. It can consume up to 6 ampere current, also known as thermoelectric cooler or hotter, because its one side gets very cold and another side gets very hot. This is Peltier block. We can attach Peltier with it. This is all for today. Thank you very much.